Have you experienced this problem? You try to close the double screen door, but the other side of the screen door bounces open. You may also see a broken spring coming out from the lock, or a drop-down deadbolt. If you're trying to fix these problems or something similar, you've opened the right video. Tools and materials you need: an old retractable ball pen, a drill, a screwdriver, a vise, a hammer, a small chisel and your screen door key. Step 1. Remove the 5 screws to loosen the lock from the door. Step 2. Use your key to turn and take out the barrel cylinder. Step 3. If you have a 3-point lock, check my other video to disconnect the top and bottom from the lock. Step 4. Take out the lock. Step 5. Use a drill to remove the rivet. Step 6. Remove the top lid and top connecting mechanism, then take out the deadbolt. Step 7. Cut the ball pen spring to the right size, approximately 2 centimeters. Plug the spring into the small hole on the back of the deadbolt. Step 8. Put the lock back together. Step 9. Use a hammer and chisel to knock the rivet site to fix the top lid back. If you drill too much in Step 5, you can try to knock the frame inwards to hold the lid. Step 10. Put everything back together. Step 11. You can pull the remaining spring longer and put it back into your ball pen, so it will be at no cost. Ha ha.